how to add sub count to OBS. So first go to your OBS. Okay, now once you're on your OBS, you can just click on the plus icon here under sources, click on browser, then you can just name your browser or your source here. So I'll just name this YT sub count, and then click OK. Now here, let's just arrange this one so you can see what I'm doing. Let's just minimize this. Okay, now as you can see here, you need the URL of your YouTube channel here. So let's just go to our YouTube channel and then click on analytics here. So, and then click on see live account. Okay, now here you just need to copy the URL, go back to OBS, then type in the URL here or paste it. Okay, now before I click OK here, you need to remember that once you've clicked OK, you need to sign into your Google account. Okay, so in order for you to sign into your Google account here, which is this one, okay, once I've clicked OK here, you can see something like this because I've already signed into my Google account. Okay, now you can see my sub count here. So if you can't see your sub count here, you need to sign in your Google account. So in order for you to sign in, you can just right click here and then click on interact. Okay, now from here you can start signing into your Google account. So once you've signed into your Google account, you can just close this, then you can see something like this. So from here, you just need to, let's just crop out the things that we don't need. So let's just hold Alt on your keyboard and then you can just drag the sides here. So we can only see the numbers. Okay, now let's just put it here on the side and then just make it bigger, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.